interpreter kind of.
Good afternoon and welcome to the Ahwatukee Childrens Theater. This is our esteemed director, Dave Mattel. He's channeling Peter Brady at the moment. When it's time to change.
It's time to rearrange. Welcome.
Susical. This is his second show here at the Ahwatukee Childrens Theater. If you were privileged to see his first musical last year, Susical the musical, he's very happy to be here in doing his second production here at ACT. Something like that.
Perfect.
Some thank yous. We'd like to thank Michelle and Michael for creating such a great place for children to come and sing and play.
I want to thank Mary. She's a great costume.
Okay.
No. My amazing cast who have been working so hard for the past month. Thank you. They're wonderful. This is their last show. They've had 9 amazing productions, and you're in for a real treat today, so I'm so proud of what they've done. And a big thank you to all the parents out there for all your support and encouragement about the mission. Thank you.
House rules, if you don't know your way around ACT, the bathrooms are right down the hall, men's to the right, ladies on the left. There will be a 15-minute intermission about 45 minutes into the show. Concessions will be available at that time in the lobby.
Cell phones? Our cast is going to be on the sidewalk after the show, so please, they'd love to greet and meet you. It's for autographs, and let's do that after the show. Thank you so much for being here, and welcome to Honk.
Behind the farmhouse, where the pace of life is slow, there's a website where just real webs are used. Where we spend days the way ducks oughta, eating bread thrown on the water, in a way that keeps the younger kids amused. In our land, both green and pleasant, every bantam, duck, or pheasant, well, if we had them, they'd be walking arm in arm. For our life is good and steady till we're plucked and up and ready. It's a poultry tale of folk down on the farm. There goes Turkey with a gobble, watch his legs begin to wobble, cause Thanksgiving gives him cause for some alarm. We've got pullets, we've got chickens, we've got quails, and what the dickens? It's a poultry tale of folk down on the farm. Oh, what a gorgeous vision this is. It's Ida! She's my missus. So forgive me if I'm laying on the farm. She goes in her heated quacking to point out the skills I'm lacking.
It's a poultry tale of folk down on the farm. Come on down and don't be strangers in our junkyard of free rangers. It's a poultry tale of folk down on the farm. It's delicious.